Hey guys! Alright, so today we are checking into the Riviera. We are in a 2-bedroom preferred view. So let me go ahead and show you. So this is when you first walk in. You have a cute little table, a light, you have somewhere to hang your stuff up in. So we are actually going to go to the left first. So you have a cute little mirror here. Hi. This right here is where the washer and dryer are. Also comes with a collapsible laundry basket. And then if you turn around, here's another large closet. It has your ironing board, your vacuum, it has your in-room safe. It also has your extra pillows and blankets as well as a steam iron. So then we're going to turn here, and then this is the part of the master bathroom. So you have a vanity, sink, you just have some extra storage, live storage. It's beautiful here. Toilet, towels, your shower with a rainfall shower head. Absolutely gorgeous. And then more storage or more places to hang up. Then you have your hooks there. Then this is the part of the master area. So you have a nice jet tub that I cannot wait to get into, as well as pocket doors here to close off from the rest of the bathroom. Another vanity and sink along with extra storage. You have your light. Let's see. Yeah, just extra tissues and stuff. Your own hair dryer. Then you come into here, and these are really cool. So watch these kind of close. Oh, they close on their own. You have a nice desk. You have a giant king-size bed that is absolutely gorgeous. Wish it was in my house. Another full-length mirror. Hi. Then you have another closet. This one, it just opens up. And then you have a beautiful big screen TV. You have a dresser, which I will unpack. A nice chair, nightstand with a lamp. And then we have a view of the pool, the quiet pool. And then you walk out here, and here is the living area. So again, you have access to the balcony. You have your hidden Mickey details, 2 chairs, a coffee table area, another little side table, 2 side tables. This little stool right here, or cube, actually just kind of goes up into more storage. Right here, you have your big screen TV along with a trundle bed. So that can be for somebody else who is staying with you. This right here, look at the cute little decor here. And then if you actually, I'm not going to do it all the way, but this actually will go down into a Murphy bed. It's a queen size Murphy bed. So we actually have 2 girls that are going to probably sleep there tonight. This is the dining area. So it'll seat, I want to say up to 9. And so you have gorgeous. Then you have your, this is your kitchen. So you have plenty of space. You have your pull-out trash can. You have your dishwasher, a full-size coffee maker, plenty of things right here for everything that you can imagine to cook with. It comes with enough for, comes with your Joffrey's coffee, your Twinings, tea. It actually comes with a toaster. Then you have your extra stuff under here. So you have your dish drainer, dish sink, dish towels and stuff. You have your silverware, things to cook with. So guys, this is a fully stocked kitchen, which I absolutely love. It has your microwave, it has your oven. Yeah, so if you are staying here and you are a family who wants to still enjoy the luxuries of home, you have it here. You also have, again, more storage up here. So guys, you will not be lacking of storage. A fridge freezer along with an ice maker, which we are probably more excited about that. Your fridge. Now we're going to go into the second bedroom. Again, we have another gorgeous mirror, another walk-in closet, perfect for luggage. If you have extra people staying with you, this is perfect. Then we're walking into the second bedroom. So as soon as you walk in, this is the cute little foyer area. Here is your little extra dresser. Then we're going to walk into the bathroom. So here again you have your shower with the rainfall. It's just like in the master bath, along with your toilet. And it just comes with one vanity for this one, which is fine, but plenty of storage. And it also has your tub shower combo, which is good, along with your H2O. Your H2O stuff. Another full-size mirror. Hi. And then this comes with 2 queen-size beds, and there's plenty of outlets for you to be able to plug up along with USB. So you should be good to go. This has its own separate area. So again, another big screen TV, another dresser, chair. The beds are very comfortable, and there are plenty of space underneath that you can add your luggage, along with drawers that pull out for more storage. And again, this is our view. It is absolutely gorgeous. Enjoy.